What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have the Osmo Mobile 3 combo pack available on Amazon for $139 with Prime shipping. Now I picked this up because I am going to be going to CES. I'll be there recording all week, and I am going to use my mobile device, the Pixel 4 XL. So I didn't want to take my camera, so I'm going to take something light and mobile. So I am going to be using this to stabilize my video. So without further ado, let's go and see what's inside the package. Bam. Now we do get, I don't know if we get this nice carrying case with the combo or the regular one. I think the regular one's like $107 if you don't want to get the combo case. And inside the package we do get the Osmo carrying case, and we get this, I don't know what this is. Why is it so hard to, dude, why is it so hard to open? Why do you make it so difficult? Oh my god. Oh. Bam. We get the instructions. We get our power cables. We get, oh my god, you get a bunch of stuff in this weird box here. So make sure you do read the instructions, and you have a cable stuck in here. Enough with this. Alright, so we do have our instructions. Make sure you read them because this Osmo Mobile 3 is packed with features. We do have a USB to Type-C charging cable. We do have a lanyard here. We have a Osmo, I believe it's a microfiber cloth. Oh no, it's a little carrying bag. If you don't want to use the case itself, you do have a carrying bag, or you can put all your accessories in this carrying bag here. It's nice and microfiber, very good. Has Osmo DJI branding there. And this is a tripod for the gimbal if you want to go ahead and set it down and stabilize the gimbal and have the gimbal actively track you, because it does do that, which is awesome. And we do have some additional rubber grips here for the mount where it holds the phone. So we have this nice carrying case here. Now this is the combo pack, $139. The regular one is, let's see if they got the regular one here on Amazon. It's $107, but I don't think it comes with this carrying case. I think just the combo pack comes with this carrying case. So if you want everything here, you might as well just get the $140 one, which is not a bad deal regardless. $139, bam. But we do have the gimbal here itself, and inside the case, that's all that comes in. We get this fancy packaging thing, and the gimbal itself folds down, very nice. You can go ahead and close it in there. We do have a extra baggie, so you can put either your tripod back here like that, your charging cables and other accessories, and you can strap this to a bag, hold it around your wrist or something like that, which is great. So we do have our Osmo. You can put your cables in here as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a quick look at this. And I think this just snaps in place like this, which is pretty cool device here. This is just a quick unboxing, guys. You guys probably seen a lot of videos on this device because it's been out for a minute, but I did pick this up so I can take it to CES. We'll be shooting all my coverage with this gimbal here, so I will play some of that footage on here just to show you guys the stabilization features and some of the features it has. But you do have to kind of, let's see, you do have to download the DJI Mimo app here, and then we can kind of search for the device. You can open it and power the device on by holding the red button. See if it is powered. It might not have juice. The power button is this M button here, and it does find it, as you can see on the device, is searching for it, and we can just hit connect. And we are connected to the gimbal, and obtain Osmo device info. Next, activate and log in. Now I don't have a login, so I have to register, I believe. So I'll go ahead and register real quick. Now we are logged in and we have to activate. So let's go ahead and hit activate. It's activating and registering the device. It's send activation, and we have our Osmo Shield, I guess, purchase and bind within 30 days of the product activation. You have 2-year warranty, accidental hardware damage coverage, water damage, free shipping. Let's go ahead and skip. Notice for beginners. So let's go ahead and balance the device. Hold and tilt the motor to the left until the phone remains balanced when released. So I'm going to go ahead and put my phone on the gimbal itself, and we're going to go and see what happens. Okay, so I finally got the gimbal balance. It's kind of difficult at first, but once you read the instructions, it kind of walks you through it. It's not too bad, but it is pretty cool. I do have my Pixel 4 mounted on here. I can't wait to get some footage at CES with this. This is going to be my minimal recording rig for CES. I'll go ahead and I'll post some footage. I don't know if I'm going to release this as a separate video and then release the gimbal footage separate. But there you have it, guys. $139 on Amazon with Prime shipping. The Osmo Mobile 3. Link will be in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding the gimbal, please leave them down in the comments section below. The link will be in the description below. Again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.